这是真人还是人工智能？你能分辨出区别吗？
That almost looks like me, but it's not. It's an AI-generated video based on a single screenshot.
Tools from Alibaba, Tencent, Kuaishou are making AI video generation accessible to millions, sometimes for free.
Our company, I can't imagine without AI, how can we survive at the beginning? Without AI, I don't think our game can actually be done in 1 year.
It's brought huge productivity gains for this game developer, but also raised alarms in the entertainment industry. Disney and Paramount have accused ByteDance of IP infringement after its video generator produced near cinematic scenes from just a text prompt. The fear is that AI could replace not just mundane tasks, but jobs across creative industries.
The painting, if we use like labor works, it's like 2,000 to 4,000 for one piece. But with AI, we only use like probably 2 RMB for one piece.
For policymakers, the challenge is balancing growth.
We will nurture emerging industries and industries of the future
With disruption.
The rapid development of AI is having a profound impact on employment.
The China Economic Journal projects that more than 30% of urban jobs in China could be lost to AI by 2049. That's 142 million jobs. That's a scenario that could threaten social stability. Beijing is aiming to create another 12 million jobs this year, with just as many graduates set to enter an already slack labor market.
In finance and IT, if there weren't for this kind of regulatory barriers, about 30 to 40% of the job could have been lost right away. If you're thinking about the automation, AI replacement of junior roles is already happening massively in China.
That leaves Xi Jinping's government with a dilemma. China can't afford to fall behind in its tech race with the United States, but the implications of the tech revolution are far from clear.
If we let AI replace the jobs without taxing the AI appropriately, then it can really get to the core of the consumer economy, and we got to think about sort of tax policy that is targeted specifically at what is driving those job losses.
It will be in the regulatory framework at some point. I just don't see it as a choice yet, because we're at the very early stage of promoting the application of AI. So the gray area must be capped, actually by a very wide margin.
Last December, state media published a landmark arbitration case in Beijing that set some early guardrails. Dismissing an employee because of AI is illegal because it's a business decision for profit, not an uncontrollable event. That means companies must prioritize retraining and reassignment before dismissing an employee. But for now, all signs at the 2 sessions suggest the government is going all in on tech at the risk of leaving some people behind. Minmin, Bloomberg News, Beijing.